Imagine holding a letter in your hands that could completely transform your life. This isn't just any letter, it's a gateway to a long-lost family fortune and secrets that were never shared with you. As you read these lines, think about how this letter could change your path in unimaginable ways. But be ready, this divine message is not without its challenges. Are you prepared to face the truth? Are you ready to embrace the blessings and responsibilities it brings? Think of those nights you spent asking for guidance, clarity, or a breakthrough. This letter is your answer from above. The words within carry God's promises to you. They have the power to heal broken relationships, recover lost opportunities, and inspire hope where you least expect it. Remember, God's timing is impeccable. This letter has found its way to you now because you are ready to embrace its contents. Be cautious, though. Doubt, fear, or confusion might cloud your mind, the enemy's attempt to steer you away. Stand firm. You have been chosen for this moment, and God will empower you to understand and act on this revelation. Inside, you'll discover a story untold about a relative forgotten by others, but remembered in God's plan. This person has left behind not just material wealth, but a legacy for you to carry forward. With this new knowledge comes great responsibility. How will you use this truth? How will you wield this newfound power? God encourages you not to fear the unknown. You are equipped to face this moment with wisdom and grace. Declare, I am stepping into my destiny. This is your time to acknowledge and embrace God's truth. These words are no coincidence. They are meant to reach you when you need them most. This journey is not only about receiving, but also about choosing. God offers you the opportunity to rewrite your story, to move from doubt to faith, from shadow to light. As you prepare to read this life-changing letter, listen for the gentle promptings of the Holy Spirit. Pray for discernment. The path you choose now will shape not only your future, but also that of those around you. Embrace this moment and let it guide you toward your true purpose. Imagine you have a letter in your hands that could change everything for you. This isn't just any ordinary letter. It's the key to unlocking hidden family treasures and deep secrets that have been kept from you until now. This letter could completely transform your life in ways you can't even begin to imagine. But remember, such a powerful message comes with significant challenges. Are you ready to face the truth? Are you prepared to accept the blessings and responsibilities that come with it? Think back to all those nights when you felt alone and asked for a sign or some guidance. This letter is that long-awaited answer from the heavens. The words written on these pages are filled with God's promises. They have the power to mend broken relationships, revive missed opportunities, and bring hope where there was despair. Remember, God's timing is always perfect. This letter has arrived in your hands at this precise moment because you are now ready to receive it. However, be cautious, as doubts and fears might try to cloud your judgment. Stand firm in your faith and resolve. You were chosen for this moment, and God will guide you to understand and act upon the revelations you will find within this letter. Inside, you'll uncover the tale of a relative previously unknown to you. This revelation might shock you, but it's part of a larger plan meant to bring you closer to understanding your family's past and your role in its future. As you dig deeper, you will see that this letter doesn't just connect you to forgotten history. It invites you into a journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. With every word you read, be prepared for emotions to stir, some of joy and others of pain. This letter will reveal not just hidden treasures, but also hidden truths that might be difficult to face. Someone close to you, someone you trusted, may have kept these secrets for reasons of their own. whether out of fear, jealousy, or a misguided attempt at protection. Discovering such betrayal can hurt deeply, but this is also a call to a higher purpose. Jesus teaches us the power of forgiveness as a gateway to freedom. Embracing this can liberate you from the chains of past grievances. By forgiving those who have wronged you, you are not just releasing them, you are freeing yourself, allowing room for healing and peace to enter your life. Say to yourself, "I forgive," and let go as an affirmation to move forward. This act of letting go is crucial for healing not only your heart but also mending the fabric of your family history. This letter is not just about uncovering the past, it's about shaping the future. It is a divine tool crafted by God's own hand, placed in your life to initiate restoration and blessings not only for you but for generations to come. The spiritual wealth within this letter transcends any material gain. It has the potential to transform legacies, turning sorrow into joy and loss into redemption. You are now standing at a pivotal point. You have the power to redefine the legacy of your family, to shift the narrative from one of secrecy and pain to one of openness and healing. Be brave as you take up this mantle. Proclaim, "I am ready to step into my destiny," and acknowledge your readiness to embrace all that this letter offers. God has prepared you for this moment through every trial and triumph in your life. The path laid out before you might seem daunting, but you are not walking it alone. The Holy Spirit is with you, offering wisdom and strength, guiding each step you take towards uncovering the full truth and embracing the totality of your family's legacy. Trust in the divine plan laid out for you as it unfolds one letter at a time. This person left behind not just things but a legacy that's now yours. What will you do with this truth? How will you handle this powerful knowledge? God is telling you not to be scared of the unknown. You have what it takes to face this moment with wisdom and grace. Say, "I am ready for my destiny." This is your moment to accept and embrace God's truth. These words are meant for you. They come at the exact time you need them. But this is not just about taking, it's about making choices. God is giving you the chance to change your story, to step out from the doubts and into His promises. As you get ready to read this life-changing letter, listen to the small, still voice guiding you. Ask for understanding. The choices you make now will not only shape your future but also affect those around you. Take this step and let it lead you to your true purpose. God has surrounded you with a shield of protection, making sure this message reaches you despite any obstacles that tried to stop it. Say, "I claim divine wisdom to invite God's guidance into your heart." Prepare yourself, as not everything in the letter will be easy to hear. Within its pages, you'll uncover a deep betrayal by someone close, someone you trusted. They might have kept this secret out of jealousy, fear, or even what they thought was love. Although it will be painful, Jesus calls you to rise above it and forgive, even when it seems too hard. Forgiveness is your path to freedom. This betrayal is not meant to break you, but to awaken you. God is using this to teach you the power of grace and resilience. Remember, nothing is hidden from Him, and He will bring justice in His time. Say, "I forgive," and release the past to embrace the peace that comes with letting go. For too long, secrets, misunderstandings, and unresolved issues have held your family back. This letter is God's way of breaking those chains. It's a key to healing not just for you, but for generations ahead. The blessings in this letter are more than material, they are spiritual and transformative, capable of turning curses into blessings and brokenness into wholeness. You must be brave and choose to be the one who stands in the gap, declaring that the past will no longer control the future. Trust that God's hand is upon you as you take this bold step. Say, I am breaking generational chains to affirm your role in this divine transformation. This letter is not the end, but the beginning of a new chapter. God is using this moment to prepare you for a greater purpose. The revelations within are meant to strengthen your faith, sharpen your vision, and ignite a passion to follow His call on your life. The ripple effects of your obedience will reach further than you can imagine. Let this letter remind you that you are seen by God. He hears you, and He is working everything together for your good. Trust Him as you step into the unknown, confident that His plans for you are filled with hope and a future. Say, I trust in God's plan to declare your faith and readiness for what's ahead. As you absorb the letter's contents, realize it carries more than revelations. It comes with a divine assignment. This is not just about what you receive, but also what you are called to give. God is asking you to use the blessings in this letter to bless others, whether by sharing the truth, extending forgiveness, or stepping into leadership. This is your moment to shine as a light in a dark world. The Holy Spirit is with you, empowering you to take bold steps of faith. Remember, when you follow God's call, He provides all you need to fulfill it. Say, I accept my divine mission to embrace the purpose God has revealed to you. This is not just a message from the past, it's a bridge to your future. The letter contains clues guiding you toward the next phase of your destiny, perhaps pointing you to an opportunity that's been waiting or unveiling talents you never knew you had. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.